Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, our reporter Anthony Lugg has been speaking with residents and stakeholders in a section of rural Jamaica about their New Year's Eve plans.
So New Year's Eve here in Maypen, Clarendon, and the vendors are still out in their numbers, trying to make what little they can of sales before things return to normal. Now, the vendors here shared mixed reactions about how things went over the Christmas period.
I still have to out here because I pick me for go to school next week. Yeah. I don't have no plans for the new year. I just make God do him thing.
It's not too bad right now. Things going on pretty fine with me right now. Yes, so I'm quite satisfied. It's quite good.
I'm not happy because I don't get none for New Year's. The Santa Claus don't come here. I don't see none.
Some people say this is the best New Year and Christmas since Corona.
Best, I see people come out for this long time for Corona still.
We have a deployment of police on the ground. We want to ensure that the citizens that are out there are safe, especially in the town of Maypen. We have adequate police as also soldiers in the town to ensure that the citizens that are out to enjoy themselves, that they do so in a safe way. We want to warn those persons who want to do the gun salute that we'll be having a lot of police out in the communities patrolling. And so we'll be looking for those persons, and those persons who are caught will be arrested and charged. And for the wanted persons that are out there, we'll be coming to look for you also. We just ask them to turn themselves in because we'll find them.
Now, as the curtain draws on 2023, all roads would lead to truck show here in Woodley in Maypen, Clarendon. The people say it will be pure excitement.
A truck fest, I go take it to them this evening.
And you, what you look forward to for 2024?
Money. Prosperity, life, and happiness. That me I say. Big one thing.
Well, me I look for the best, you know. Cause you don't know, say I be a war and I be a people are dead and that not pretty, you see me? So just I look for the best, and the best way I look for. And we have to just do more praying.
Reporting from Maypen, Clarendon, I'm Anthony Lugg for TVJ News.